Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Samsung Galaxy A26. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check the volume during a call using the side buttons that are on the right side right here. So they are right here, we want to press them while we are on an active call. As you guys can see, whenever we open up the settings and whenever we go into the sounds and vibration, then we go to volume, then there is no call volume, so you cannot change it in the settings. You can only change it while being on an active call with somebody. And what are we going to do next is we're going to go to connected devices connections. We want to make sure that our Bluetooth is not enabled. We want to make sure that we disable it. It's very important because we don't want any other devices to be connected to our phone. After that, you see this little looks like a metal piece here right at the top. This is our earpiece. Now the earpiece is used whenever we talk with somebody through the phone without a speaker, and we're using an earpiece. We want to clean it with a soft brush. If you don't have a soft brush, you can use an air compressor, and both things work really well. And after cleaning the earpiece, you can try calling up somebody again with the phone app, or by calling somebody with a different app like WhatsApp, basically any app that supports the call system. What are we gonna do next is we're gonna go over and go to settings, and as a last resort, we're gonna go and scroll down until we see general management. Here we go to reset. In the reset, what are we gonna do is we're gonna reset mobile network settings. Click reset settings and confirm with our password if we have one. Click on reset and you should see the confirmation on your screen. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.